Hello YouTube, Text back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to stop a mic echo effect on Windows computer. You may have Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So we are going to use 3 solutions. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So the first solution will be run the recording audio troubleshooter. So in order to do that, click on your search icon here and type settings. So here the settings, then open the setting. Then on the settings, scroll down and you will find troubleshoot. Select the troubleshoot and you will find other troubleshooter. Then select other troubleshooter and scroll down to the bottom and you will find recording audio option and run. So select here run and it will start detecting a problem related with recording audio and it will help to solve the echo effect on the mic. So wait patiently until the detecting process will be completed. So it will show you which of the device do you want to troubleshoot. In my case, it's jack mic, Realtek audio, and it's telling me the connector for the device is located on the front side of the computer. So the place that I inserted in the front side. So if you have 2 ports to insert the mic in the front or the back, you can find even the specific mic by giving the computer will give you the location for that specific mic. So I'm going to select this one and I'm going to click here next. So it will start detecting the problem related with that. And here it says troubleshooting cannot identify the problem in my case, but in your case it may give you some results. So based on that result, it may fix your mic echo effect error. But if the problem is still occurring, the second solution will be making some setting changes under the recording section, which is under the sound. So to do that, click on here again on your search icon and type control panel. So here the control panel, then open your control panel and you will find different categories like this, but if you cannot find it, go on the top here and view by, click here the arrow and select large icons. Then after that you will find here sound. So select the sound option and under the sound option here you find different options: playback, recording, sound, communication. So select your recording. Then after that you find the recording. Make sure the first thing that you will do is make sure stereo mix is disabled. In my case it's disabled, or you can, if it is enabled in your case, right click on it and select here the disable option. So in my case it's already disabled, I'm not going to do it. So it will help you to stop the echo effect and also do on again the first one, which is jack mic. In my case, select the mic in your case and right click on it and select properties. Then after that go here and select here listen. Then after that, make sure this listen to this device is unchecked. So if it is like this, make sure you should have to uncheck this or remove the check mark on the listen to this device. And also go here and select level. Then after that, you will find microphone boost. So make sure drag it to 0. And if you find here checkbox, make sure you remove that. So select here OK after you do all these things and select here. So after that, if the problem is still occurring, then the final solution for this video will be updating the driver. So in order to update the driver, again click here the search icon and type here device manager. So here the device manager, then open it, and on the device manager you will find on the top audio input and output. Click here the arrow and you will find here jack mic. In your case it may be different, so select the specific mic and click on update driver and select here search for automatically for the driver, and the best driver for your device are already installed. Then close this one And make sure again you do for the second one, speaker headphone. Again, update the driver here, search automatically for driver, and again here is the best driver for your device is already installed. Then close this, and again go on the bottom and you'll find sound video game controller. Click here the arrow again and select here Intel display audio. Again, right click on it and select update driver. Search automatically for driver, and the best driver for your device are already installed. And close this one, and finally do for this one update driver and search automatically and close. And all the driver for sound and video and mic are updated, and now you can check whether the mic echo effect is stopped or not. So these are the solution to help you, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.